The burrowing owl is one of 7 birds nominated for Audubon California's 2012 Bird of the Year. You can vote for any one of these nominated birds or write in your own choice through December 7th. The burrowing owl is a favorite among bird enthusiasts. Unfortunately, loss of habitat has prompted it to be listed as a species of special concern in California. Audubon chapters and other organizations have been active in protecting burrowing owl habitat and raising awareness of this wonderful bird. You can vote for Bird of the Year by visiting ca.audubon.org through December 7th.